Well, guys, here it is. Duck cake heaven. It's adorable.
Right?
Okay, just right here.
Made it a little better. Okay, now let's get the head first before we do that.
Yes.
Because that's what they did.
Sweet.
Babe! They are stale. We need to eat them today.
Don't worry. By the way, I made it lopsided because I put too much frosting on one side.
You've been doing it or what?
Less than
Come
you.
here, buddy. Sit. You want a piece of cake, bud? You want a piece of cake? You want a piece of cake? Ooh, he likes cake too.
He looks cute. We have enough chocolate chips to do that. No, take off the card.
Let it warm up. Let it warm up. Let it warm up. Bow tie on it, or buttons, I should say.
I do the buttons, you do the popcorn.
Oh, okay. You do the
Hand me
buttons.
the cake. Look at your fancy lights.
You're gonna have to hold this one on the way to your parents.
Oh, she be cute. Oh, she be cute.
Oh, I could have made him a mohawk. What the heck? This is so cool. You see the duck? It's a duck cake. We don't look as good as the bluey one because of, the feathers, but
Whatever is the best.
actually it is pretty cool. We have to be excited for this one.